This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at some of the basic functions on the ECR Plus smartphone app. So we're looking at Z reports. So if you go to the home screen of the app, press Remote XZ, you get a list of report options come out, and if you're looking to do the Z reset report, which most people would run at the end of the day, you simply hit the relevant button, press OK, and then the app will make the till do the report. So the cash drawer fires as normal, you get the Z report print out the front machine, and then also the data is then on the app as well. You can close the drawer, wait for the report to print out. Tear the report off, so it's exactly the same report that you could have run via the till. So you get your sales breakdown for the day by department, by method of payment, by tax if you've got it set up, and also by cashier if you're using different operators on the machine. In terms of the phone, you simply press OK once it's done, and then return to the main screen and carry on using as you normally would. For more information on using the ECR Plus app and Casio cash registers in general, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, you can check out the video links appearing on screen now, or you can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.